Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shushmita and today's video is all about getting ready together, and we're gonna talk a lot, and also I'm gonna share some new products with you guys. Their quality, their pigmentation and their price point, everything is of top notch quality, and I'm sure you guys gonna love it. Also, I have created this look and it is very easy, so without any wasting time, let's get into the video. First, we're gonna start with a primer oil, and for that I'm going to use Stay Quirky First Base Primer Oil. I have already used this one in my two of the previous videos, but trust me, I really love how my base feels after applying this primer oil, and it makes my makeup last little longer, so I really love using this one, and I'm on a continuous basis of using this one whenever I wear any makeup. And now I'm done with the primer, so I'm going to use Purple Caffeine Comrade Long Stay Foundation. I have already used this one too, and I'm in the shade Mojito Comrade 3. So I'm going to take pump of it on the back of my hand and gonna apply it with the foundation brush. I have blended my foundation. Now I'm going to use this kajal from NY Bay, and the name of the kajal is The Big Apple of My Life, and it is a totally jet black. Plus it comes with a twist, so there is no hustle of sharpening it. You can just twist it and the product will come out, and you can see how jet black it is. Damn, I'm really impressed with the pigmentation of this kajal, and it is very smooth like a butter. So I just I like the kajal and the formula of this kajal a lot. So I'm going to use this kajal to fill my eyebrows because I feel like it is a perfect, and it is way too easy to fill your eyebrows with a kajal. Plus what I do, I just take some of this on the brush, like very light handedly. Now very gently I'm just going to fill wherever I feel I have a gap. I would like to take few more minutes to talk about this kajal, guys. I do fill my eyebrows with other kajals, but this one I feel that it's so smooth and easy. How my eyebrows look are amazing, and I just can't describe this in words how beautiful this kajal is. And if you are a kajal person, then you should definitely try this one out. And talk about the price, it's so affordable. You'll get this for rupees 125. Such a jet black kajal which glides very smoothly, feels very smooth, and also it is very affordable, and the quality is everything top notch of this kajal. So you should definitely try this one out. I'm going to move for the eye makeup. So for this I'm going to use this palette. It is from NY I Love eyeshadow palette, and the name of this is Everyday Essential. So in this you get 9 shade, and the shades are very pretty and very neutral and nude kind of, which you can actually use it on a everyday basis, and you can create so many looks of it in this. And you will get 3 shimmer shade, this one and this one. These 3 are the shimmers and the rest are the mattes. Okay, so I'm going to swatch some of the shade for you guys, and let's see how the pigmentation of this. I hope you guys can see. So all the shades are very pigmented. Shimmers are supremely pigmented. This one is very pigmented. This one is little light, but it's buildable. We can build with that. And the matte shades are supremely pigmented. And now let's create the eye look. So for base, I'm going to take this one. product which I have is from NYB, and it's their I Love Mascara. And let me just show you guys the wand of this mascara. So as you guys can see, the wand of this mascara is literally very thick, and I'm very excited to apply this and to see what kind of effect it gonna give. And I have completed this eye look, and the shimmer which I used, now I'm blown with that, the formula of the shimmer and the how smooth and buttery it is. And there is 0% fallout from this palette. I was like, when I was like swatching it, the shimmer were not that much good on the finger, but with the brush they performed bomb. And I'm so happy with this छोटू सा palette. So the price of this mascara is 299, and the whole name of this mascara is Voluminizing I Love Mascara, and it truly do what it claims to voluminize. It has voluminized my eyebrow hairs, and also it gives some length to it, and also it's waterproof, so there is no worry about it that it gonna melt out once you apply any water in it, because it's not. And it's damn amazing, and it does what it claims. So definitely check this out. I have this eyeliner from NYB only, and the name of this eyeliner is Truly Matte Liquid Eyeliner, and it's in bold black. As I have done the my eye makeup, it's kind of a blackish, so I'm not going to use this one, but I'm definitely gonna apply it on my hand and gonna show to you guys that how it is actually. And this is how it is. So the brush of this eyeliner is little thick, but you can use it for a thinner eyeliner too. Just you have to be very gentle and make sure that you are applying it with the tip of it, because if you bend it little bit also, now it's gonna make it a look little thicker. So that's that. And yes, that's how this eyeliner looks like. You guys can actually see, and it is very watery, and it also dries down very quickly. So yes, if you want, you can definitely check this one out. And it also retails for rupees 229, so it is affordable too. I'm going to use blush, but from this eyeshadow palette only, and I'm gonna use this shade for my blush because I really like this kind of blush. So I'm going to be very gentle on it, and let's see how it turn out as a blush. And it's a pretty brown nude lipstick which feels very lightweight on the lips, and also it does not dry out the lips. And the next one is also from NYB, but it's their bullet lipstick. It's a pink undertone lipstick, and it's a darker one, but I like the formula of this one. With all this we are done, and I have created this eye look. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I did, and all the products which I tried today, I'm really so happy with them. Their formulation, their quality, pricing, packaging, everything is of top-notch quality, and you guys should definitely check them out. Plus, I'm going to link all the products in the description box so that you guys can check them out and definitely try them out. You're gonna love them. And with this, we're gonna end this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.